miss driving it, but
What'd you do with it?
Kevin's driving mine today. Phil drove it last time.
Oh, that's right.
Kevin's was broke.
Basically, you're telling me that I need to figure out how to run this so you can race again.
That's what we're gonna do. I don't. Cars hit this pretty hard.
We are 10 laps in. Fast lap so far. We got Craig with a 3.72, Joe 3.76, Kevin 3.75, Billy with a 3.85, Jason just clicks off a 3.77. That is a tight group of trucks. Good job, guys. 14 to go. Last lap's by 3/8 for Joe and Craig. 4-0s for everyone else. Time to go.
I want that.
Five to go. Running order: Craig, Joe, Kevin, Billy, and Jason. Keep going. Everybody's in it done. Good run, guys. 30 laps for Craig and Kevin, 29 laps for Joe and Billy, and Jason at 28.
I can't keep a straight face when you got that eating like that.
What? Racing Jason?
That concludes round one. It is 1:06. Let's give it about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. We'll get round two started. I will restart and I'll let you know when they're posted.
I forgive you
For
every time that you.
it's the truck, isn't it? That's
It's a
funny.
freaking truck.
That's funny.
Cause yeah.
Oh, you remember, don't you?
Because every single time you hit that little side, you shoot out,
Yep, and
that's
it goes straight out.
That's
There's
exactly
no
what
fixing
happened.
Put a transponder number in mine next time.
Yeah, I'm gonna restart so when it prints, let's make sure it has something on there.
Yeah.
Stay back. You can't drive from down here, probably.
But not bad.
Let me get this set up, buddy, and then we'll go practice, okay?
Yeah, with the old tape, it's sheared right there.
Yeah. I think I've replaced it a couple times since I got the truck.
Bring in more parts.
Tater's in the house. Trucks, do we have a need to split those up? Truck drivers, Sportsman trucks. Joe, Craig, Billy, Kevin, Jason.
Nobody's listening.
Trucks, split them.
You guys did fine there.
Billy, Jason. Split trucks or no? Split up the trucks?
Yes or no?
Okay, we'll run them all. Thank you.
Stay back, buddy. Stay back, buddy. Hmm? You help? You can help. You can watch. No, we're gonna go practice soon. Alright, you gotta get down there if you're gonna push. Go down, Mom. That truck might hit the wall hard.
Are you wanting to drive, Phil?
Yeah, we're gonna drive. Hey, yo.
You got a second? You want to look at this charger?
Which one?
Channel 1.